Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge etc. Today I am going to describe about promotion examination material for Bank Internal Promotion Examination 2026-2027. Welcome to part 50 of my Path to the Corner Office 2026-2027 series where we break down real bank promotion exam questions and give you clear practical sample answers to help you climb the career ladder faster. Subject: Star Home Loan. Question: In the standard rating sheet of for home loan, top-up loan, that weightage is assigned to bureau score among the bureau-related information parameters. Option A 5%, option B 10%, option C 15%, option D 20%. Correct answer is option C 15%. Question: Under the rating sheet for home loan, top-up loan, an applicant aged between 30 and 40 years scores the maximum marks under the age parameter. What is that maximum score? And what is the weightage of that age parameter overall? Option A 4 marks, 4% weightage. Option B 5 marks, 5% weightage. Option C 5 marks, 10% weightage. Option C 3 marks, 5% weightage. Correct answer is option B 5 marks, 5% weightage. Question: Under the rating sheet for home loan, top-up loan, what score is assigned for joint where co-applicant income is considered under the number of applicants parameter? Option A 1, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. Correct answer is option D 5. Question: Under the rating sheet for home loan, top-up loan, what is the weightage assigned to the EMI NMI ratio parameter under financial information? Option A 5%, option B 10%, option C 15%, option D 20%. Correct answer is option B 10%. Question: Under the rating sheet for home loan, top-up loan, where what LTV band earns the maximum score of a 10 under the product information category? Option A LTV less than 70%, option B LTV between 70% and 90%, option C LTV between 80% and 90%, option D LTV above 90%. Correct answer is option A LTV less than 70%. Question: Under the standard rating sheet for home loan, top-up loan, an applicant located in a state capital or city with domestic airport scores how many marks out of the maximum 5 under location type? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 5. Correct answer is option C 3. Question: Under the rating sheet for affordable home loan, what is the weight is assigned to period in a service, professions or business? Option A 5%, option B 10%, option C 15%, option D 20%. Correct answer is option B 10%. Question: Under the rating sheet for affordable home loan, what maximum score is allotted for a monthly income band of rupees 50,000 to rupees 75,000? Option A 5, option B 8, option C 10, option D 12. Correct answer is option C 10. Question: Under the rating sheet for affordable home loan, what is the weightage of the average quarterly balance in the account parameter? Option A 5%, option B 10%, option C 15%, option D 20%. Correct answer is option B 10%. Question: Comparing the two rating sheets, what is the minimum qualifying cutoff score prescribed for the affordable home loan scheme versus the regular home loan top-up loan scheme respectively? Option A 40 and 45 out of 100, option B 45 and 48 out of 100, option C 47 and 48 out of 100, option D 50 and 50 out of 100. Correct answer is option C 47 and 48 out of 100. Question: Under the key fact statement, the annual percentage rate APR disclosed to the borrower is computed using which method? Option A simple interest method on sanctioned amount, option B IRR approach and reducing balance method on net disbursed amount, option C flat rate method on gross loan amount, option D compound interest method on outstanding balance. Correct answer is option B, IRR approach and reducing balance method on net disbursed amount. Question. As per the key factor statement format, fees and charges payable are to be disclosed under which two broad categories? Option A, fixed charges and variable charges. Option B, payable to bank and payable to third party through bank. Option C, one-time charges and annual charges. Option D, mandatory charges and optional charges. Correct answer is option B, payable to bank and payable to third party through bank. Question. Under the key factor statement, in case of floating rate loans, what does the column impact of change in the reference benchmark illustrate? Option A, the change in processing fee for a 25 bps change in reference rate. Option B, the change in API amount and number of APIs for a 25 bps change in the rate. Option C, the change in margin requirement. Option D, the change in the credit score threshold. Correct answer is option B, the change in API amount and number of APIs for a 25 bps change in the rate. Question. As per the key factor statement, disclosure requirements, what must regulatory entities disclose regarding digital loans in addition to standard terms? Option A, only the name of the loan servicing app. Option B, the cooling off lookup period during which no prepayment penalty is charged, and details of the loan service provider LSP acting as recovery agent. Option C, the IP address from which the loan was processed. Option D, the name of the credit bureau used. Correct answer is option B, the cooling off and lookup period during which no prepayment penalty is charged, and details of the loan service provider acting as recovery agent. Question. In the KFS format, part 2 of the disclosure covers which category of information? Option A, interest rate and fees and charges. Option B, other qualitative information such as recovery agent clauses and grievance redressal details. Option C, property valuation details. Option D, KYC documentation checklist. Correct answer is option B, other qualitative information such as recovery agent clauses and grievance redressal details. Question. In the tri-party agreement for the mortgage guaranteed home loan, which three parties are signatories in the agreement? Option A, borrower, guarantor, IMGC, and creditor institutions, the bank. Option B, borrower, builder, and bank. Option C, borrower, guarantor, and RBI. Option D, bank, valuer, and advocate. Correct answer is option A, borrower, guarantor, IMGC, and creditor institutions, the bank. Question. As per the tripartite agreement, the guarantor's liability under the mortgage guarantee issued to the creditor institution is limited to what percentage of principal outstanding? Option A 10%, option B 15%, option C 20%, option D 25%. Correct answer is option C 20%. Question. Under the tripartite agreement, in the event of conflict between the terms of the mortgage guarantee and the tripartite agreement itself, which document prevails? Option A, the tripartite agreement always prevails. Option B, the terms of the mortgage guarantee prevail. Whichever document was executed later, the loan agreement prevails over both. Correct answer is option B, the terms of the mortgage guarantee prevail. Question. As per the tripartite agreement, disputes among the parties are to be resolved through arbitrations conducted under which legislation and in which city? Option A, Arbitrations and Conciliation Act 1996, Mumbai. Option B, Arbitrations and Conciliation Act 1996, New Delhi. Option C, Indian Contract Act 1872, New Delhi. Option D, Companies Act 2013, Mumbai. Correct answer is option B, Arbitrations and Conciliation Act 1996, New Delhi. Question. Which legal provisions does the tripartite agreement state that it shall be constituted as a guarantee under? Option A, Section 126 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. Option B, Section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act. Option C, Section 277 of the Companies Act 2013. Option D, Chapter 4A of the SARFAESI Act 2002. Correct answer is option A, Section 126 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. Question. PMAY-U 2.0 is implemented through how many verticals and which of the following is not one of them? Option A, beneficiary-led constructions BLC. Option B, affordable housing in partnerships AHP. Option C, credit linked guarantee scheme CLGS. Option D, interest subsidy scheme ISS. Correct answer is option C, credit linked guarantee scheme CLGS. Question: among the four verticals of PMAY-U 2.0, which one is implemented as a central sector scheme, while the rest are implemented as a centrally sponsored scheme? Option A, beneficiary-led constructions BLC. Option B, affordable housing in partnership AHP. Option C, affordable rental housing ARH. Option D, interest subsidy scheme ISS. Correct answer is option D, interest subsidy scheme ISSS. Question: under PMAY-U 2.0, a house constructed with central assistance should ordinarily be registered in whose name, in preference to other options? Option A, the male head of the household exclusively. Option B, the female head of the household or jointly in the names of the male head and his wife. Option C, any nominee chosen by the local municipal body. Option D, the eldest child of the household regardless of gender. Correct answer is the option B, the female head of the households are jointly in the names of the male head and his wife. Question: under the ISS's vertical of PMAY-U 2.0, subsidy is released to the bank by the central nodal agency in how many years installments? Option A 3, option B 4, option C 5, option D 7. Correct answer is option C 5 years. Question: as per the ISS's mechanism, once the subsidy is credited by the bank to the borrower's loan account, within how many days from the date of fund release by the CNA must this credit be accessed and updated of the unified web portal? Option A 3 days, option B 5 days, option C 7 days, option D 15 days. Correct answer is option C 7 days. Question: under the ISS's exclusion criteria, if the borrower has taken a housing loan from one primary lending institution and later switches to another PLI via balance transfer, what happens to their subsidy eligibility? Option A, they become eligible for a fresh subsidy claim with the new lender. Option B, they are not eligible to claim the interest subsidy again if already claimed with the first lender. Option C, they receive double the subsidy amount as compensations. Option D, the subsidy eligibility transfers automatically without any restriction. Correct answer is option B. They are not eligible to claim the interest subsidy again if already claimed with the first lender. Question: under PMAY-U 2.0, what administrative expense percentage of total fund disbursement does the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs pay to the bank via the central nodal agencies? Option A 0.1%, option B 0.5%, option C 1%, option D 2%. Correct answer is option A 0.1%. Question: under the ISS's vertical eligibility, if two or more family members take a combined or separate loan on the same property, how are they treated for the purpose of calculating family income and subsidy benefit? Option A, each member is assessed as an entirely independent family. Option B, they are treated as the same family for calculation of family income and benefit. Option C, only the primary applicant's income is considered. Option D, they automatically become ineligible for any subsidy. Correct answer is option B. They are treated as the same family for calculations of family income and benefit. Question: under PMAY-U 2.0, minimum carpet area supported for a constructed house is 30 square meter, but states utilities have flexibility to increase this up to what size without any enhancement in central financial assistance. Option A 35 square meter, option B 40 square meter, option C 45 square meter, option D 60 square meter. Correct answer is option C 45 square meter. Question: under the self-undertaking format for ISS's beneficiaries, the beneficiary declares they will not sell or transfer the subsidized house for how long from the date of release of the first installment. Option A 3 years, option B 5 years, option C 7 years, option D 10 years. Correct answer is option B 5 years. Thank you very much for your patience. Request to like, subscribe and share.